Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Cyzmic CS is a Lambda-cyhalothrin micro-encapsulated insecticide. This product is a synthetic pyrethroid that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. Cyzmic CS controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it primarily for outdoor use to control ants, cockroaches, mosquitoes, and spiders. Cyzmic CS has a powerful knockdown and long-lasting residual due to its micro-encapsulated formula, but it's mainly limited to outdoor treatments. Cyzmic is limited to crack and crevice treatment around doors, windows, and eaves, so it cannot be used as a barrier spray in these locations. Cyzmic is also made to be weather resistant, which means that if a mistake is made during treatment, it can be very difficult to get rid of the product once it dries. If these concern you, check out Flex 1010 or Novicide Aerosol. Flex 1010 can be used indoors and outdoors as a broadcast spray to control many different species of pests, as well as mattress treatments for bed bugs. Novicide can also be used indoors as a broadcast spray and has an insect growth regulator in the formula. This means that Novicide not only kills adult pests, but it also inhibits the growth of younger pests to eliminate them before they can mature. Before using Cyzmic CS, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Cyzmic at a rate of 0.2 to 0.8 fluid ounces per gallon of water, depending on your level of infestation and the targeted pest. Always follow label directions for proper mix rate and do not over-apply. Cyzmic comes in an easy-to-use tip and measure bottle. Make sure both caps are tight and tip the bottle over. Use the measurement lines on the reservoir and tip the bottle back to collect the required amount. Fill your sprayer halfway with water and then add the product. Add the rest of the water and thoroughly agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. Cyzmic CS is a highly effective outdoor treatment, as some of the capsules will rupture during treatment and provide a quick knockdown, while others are delayed and release the product slowly, ensuring a long-lasting residual. The capsules are also designed to be weather resistant and will not lose effectiveness from sunlight or harsh weather conditions. Cyzmic CS can be used to broadcast over your lawn and ornamentals, as a spot or crack and crevice treatment around structures, or as a barrier treatment around structures. You can apply Cyzmic with either a pump sprayer, a hose-in sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume applications. Cyzmic CS should not be watered in after application and should not be applied during rain or if rain is in the immediate forecast. Keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry. Cyzmic CS has a residual of up to 90 days. We typically recommend spraying quarterly for preventative control. Cyzmic is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take 30 minutes to die. Depending on your target pest life cycle, you may need to reapply in 14 to 21 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need an insect growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.